Hi guys! Here's a step-by-step at hindi masyadong nagmamadaling tutorial on how you can book flights sa Cebu Pacific. So first, punta lang kayo sa website na Cebu Pacific, cebupacificair.com. Pwede nyo i-google yan. Pwede kayong mag-login or mag-sign up or as guest muna. And then pindutin nyo yung from. So kunwari kung nasan kayo, nasa Cebu or nasa Manila. So depende sa inyo kung saan kayo manggagaling. And then yung destination kung saan kayo pupunta guys. Lalabas naman dyan lahat ng mga available locations ni Cebu Pacific. And then piliin nyo guys kung ano ba yung flight na kailangan nyo, round trip, balikan ba, one way lang, or multi-city. For this video, try muna natin one way. So from Manila, I'm going to Bacolod kunwari. And then kapag napili nyo na yan, pindutin nyo na yung departing on. So piliin nyo kung anong date yung kailangan nyo or kung kailan kayo aalis. So kunwari ito, June 30, ayan. Pag may mga, yan yung price niya, base fare, yung lalabas dyan. So 399 yung napili natin, then search flight kayo. Ayan siya, 1354.72 yung babayaran yung total. For that date, and then time, pili kayo ng time dyan. So mag-iiba pa yung price depende sa time na pipiliin ninyo. So kunwari, piliin natin tong 10:15 AM. And then ito yung lalabas, so select a bundle for all flights. So go basic lang since local lang naman. Ang kasama na dyan, random seat and one-piece hand carry na maximum weight is 7 kilograms. You can check show details para makita nyo ano yung mga inclusions per bundle. So for this one, go basic lang tayo. And then always check yung basket sa taas and yan yung babayaran nyo guys. 1354.72 for one-way ticket Manila to Bacolod 10:15 AM ng June 30, 2025. So pagka-select natin ng Go Basic, ayan, continue lang ulit. And then mapupunta ka na dito sa guest details. So you have to input your first name, your last name, your birthday, and your nationality. Ayan. Lagay nyo lang lahat ng mga details na kailangan for the guest info and also dito sa contact information, your mobile number, and yung email address ninyo. Make sure guys na tama yung email address nyo kasi dyan isi-send yung itinerary ng inyong flight. Pag okay na kayo with all your details, click confirm and then click continue para sa next page. Dito na yung mga add-on. So, customize your flight with add-on. So, click mo ulit yung basket kung makikita mo na dagdagan na yung total natin kasi nagkaroon ng travel insurance 417 pesos. So, i-remove natin yan. Punta ka lang dito. Ayan, scroll mo lang to Save Travel Sure. Pindutin mo yan. Scroll down mo lang and then pindutin mo yung remove travel sure. Ayan, dapat 0 yan. And then if you want to add seat, your baggage or food, dito ka pwedeng mag-add. Pwede kang mamili dyan. So for this one, wala tayong add-ons, kaya magstay sa around 1,300 pesos yung ating pamasahe. And then click continue lang after that. And then lalabas tong prompt na to, proceed anyway ka lang kahit wala tayong add-ons. And then yan, lalabas yung booking summary mo. Always check, double check time, date ng inyong mga flight guys, okay? Kasi mahirap na kapag nagkamali kayo, wala nang balikan to. Unless naka-go flexi kayo na pwedeng i-refund or i-rebook for free. So ayan, hintayin nyo lang, papunta na to sa payment page. And after waiting, ayan, payment method. Ito yung mga payment method na pwede mong gamitin, credit card or debit card. Just insert all the details na kailangan for using a credit card. GrabPay, Maya, and GCash pwede dito. And bago i-submit yung payment, double check yung time, date ng inyong flight and your name din and birthday. And then pag okay na, tick I fully understand and then submit and then processing na dapat yung payment niyan. After the payment, lalabas na tong confirmation so you can view your itinerary. And screenshot nyo to guys. Sa lahat ng bookings nyo, always screenshot itong confirmation page na to. Yung booking reference number. So kung ano mang mangyari, nakalimutan nyo, mali yung email address nyo, at least you have your booking reference number with you. That's it guys. Sana nakatulong and if you have more questions, just comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!